We're filling it 3/4 of the way up. Half a mile left, somebody said. I think I'm about done. I'm getting too fat and old for this, but it's a good trail. A lot of steep little quick inclines, but I see a lot of kids, so it's possible. All right, I think this is one of those steep ones I was telling you about. Look at that. Arrow doesn't even want to go. Setting yet, just right in that beautiful sun, or in the clouds. All right, we're going down. Going down. Look how that dog's doing. She's a champ. She's an arrow champ. She can do it all. All right, that's what we came for. We went above, but it was too far. This is the beauty right there. I did it bare feet because I don't want to get my shoes wet. Right, we're headed down. We're moving fast. We got some thunder and it's sprinkling, tinkling on us a little bit. Trying to get down quick, so don't know how much videoing there'll be. Let's hope we make it down. I might leave Matt. We'll see. It's too dark. You probably can't see. It's still raining. Hope there's arrow in the light. It's getting dark. We got to get down. We're close. Almost there. I'm done. Oh, it's really starting to rain now. Hey, can you see Matt's bald head back there? Alright, we're back. We made it down. It's dark out there. We barely made it back. Sun's just barely showing through over there. Our total was
5 miles.
5.24 miles. And, oh, right there, 2.47 hours, almost 3 hours and 32
miles, or minutes a mile.
32 minutes for a mile. Approximately. That was actually pretty good, considering that was uphill. We didn't do a lot of stopping, and I'm dying. I need to get out more. But it's done. The dog's tired. I think she's out in the back.